So, hello everyone, my name is Sage Sorrow or Guy, and I'm going to be doing a little series on how to solve world problems by using logic and simple equations that we learn from math. So today's question is actually, how do we, I forgot the we, solve global warming? Now how do we do that? Okay, let me show you the equation first. That would be so much easier if I was right-handed rather than left. Anyways, first we figure out, how many moons do we have on Earth? One. So we have one moon, yes. And how many Earths do we have with a moon? We have one Earth with a moon. We add that together, what do we get? We get 2, exactly. So we take 2, we push it here, right there's 2 right there. And after we take 2, we figure out how many planets are actually in the solar system. Not include, just the main planets and ice giants, blah blah blah. Not dwarf planets or anything. So there's 8 planets. We put 8 here for 8 planets. That's and then we take 2 and 8, place it as an equation. Okay. Now before we actually do this equation, we got to figure out something first. We take 2, write it in words, and 8. 8. And if we add the letters all up together, 2 and 8, how much do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aha, 8. And you know that we have 2 words and we have 8 letters. So you put 2 and 8. It's 28. That makes sense, right? So we take this 28, we place it on the side. Anywhere is fine, I personally like putting it right there to the side. Not a care in the world, right there, right? Good. So after that, we take this and we actually do the equation. We add equals 10. Now, what do we do with 10? We take 10 and write it in words. Now we got to do that 9 more times to equal 10. So that's 2. So there's 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 times, as you can see. Perfect, right? Now, since we got that, we can figure out the next step. The next step is taking 10 and turning the word, backwards. Like, what do you get when you do that? You get net. Net? What does that have to do with anything? Alright, so you ever heard of Skynet? Ever heard of it? Skynet? Well, don't worry about it. So we take net, and you know what a net does, right? It captures things and traps them in. So that's a net right there. Same with the Earth. This is the Earth. Things come in and they're trapped. They cannot get out. There's no way out. Just a mild face Earth right there. He has a mild face. Let me just focus on that. Mild face Earth. Things get trapped in. They cannot come out. So with a net, what is that really? What does net have? Nets have, okay? They have this meshy texture. So you take mesh and you put those words together. What do you get? You get the word net mesh. What does that mean? So what is meshnet? Meshnet is actually a file that is hidden in the core of the Earth. And what does this file contain? It contains a lot of information about the globe and how to warm yourself. So you take globe, information about the globe, that's all it really has, and warming yourself. Warming yourself. Once again, I'm sorry for the left-handedness, I can't help it. So globe and warming yourself. So that's how you globe, warming yourself. And if you take warming, what do you get out of that? You get war. And you look at globe, you get lobe. Anyways, we have lobe war. Now that should, easily, everything should add in. And yeah, don't worry about the background noise. Everything should add up and equal. Everything should add up and, add up. You get lobe war, and that should answer the age-old question. Here's the question. Are we alone? Now my answer to that, after figuring out all this, my answer to that is maybe. ... And that is it.